PerfectForms, a smarter way to manage and monitor your business. What do you think that means? Well, imagine you are a business manager, and like most business managers, you have problems. Things like sending emails and wondering if anything actually happens. Problems with different people in different roles working smoothly together. Not being exactly sure how everything is going and whether the work will be done on time. You know that you need a solution that manages the flow of work, but that leads to another problem. Who will build a solution? Who will make changes as your business grows? How much will all this infrastructure cost? You know what you want, but don't have the skills, time, or resources to put it in place. So you continue to put up with slow, unreliable, manual routines. Well, what if I told you there is a workflow solution that a non-technical user can put in place all by himself in a fraction of the time, without having to install any software? Sound too good to be true? Well, it's not. It's called PerfectForms. PerfectForms is a workflow solution designed to put the business user in control. So here's how PerfectForms works. Say you want to better manage time off requests. To do this, you want an employee to submit a request for time off. Then you want the request to be sent to their manager for approval. You want the employee to be notified of the manager's decision. And finally, you want to be able to see the schedule for all time off. No problem. Let's build it with PerfectForms. When you log on to PerfectForms, you open an intuitive interface that puts the power in your hands. With PerfectForms, what you see is what you get. You simply drag and drop the objects you want, like adding fields for the employee to enter their name and time off dates requested, setting up a database lookup to find the employee's manager, routing the request to that manager, and the notification back to the employee. Now let's run it. The employee submits their request, PerfectForms looks up their manager gets the request and approves it, the employee is notified. Everyone is happy. And when you want to know how things are going, you simply run a report to know who is scheduled to be off and when, giving you confidence that your employees are happy and that the work is going to continue to get done. To recap, PerfectForms is a workflow solution that can be used to solve most common problems. It puts the power in the hands of the non-technical user, and there is nothing to put on your computer, nothing to update ever. You can check it out for free at perfectforms.com. So, Mr. Manager, what are you going to worry about now?